If you tread chest on Monday, back on Tuesday, and legs on Wednesday, you are leaving half your muscle gains on the table. Here's the split that actually builds muscle. The bro split is the most popular training structure in every gym in the world. One muscle group per day. Feels productive, feels intense, and it is hard work. But here's what actually happens inside your body. Every time you train a muscle, it triggers something called muscle protein synthesis. It's your body's signal to actually build new muscle tissue. That signal lasts 24 to 48 hours. Then, it stops completely. With a bro split, your chest gets one spike per week. Then, sits completely dormant for 5 to 6 days. It's 5 days of zero growth signal. Zero. You're basically paying for a gym membership you only use 1 day a week per muscle. The research is clear. Training each muscle group twice per week builds significantly more muscle than once per week. One meta-analysis found up to 40% more growth. Same exercises, same total volume, just split differently. 2 spikes beats 1 spike every time. Now here's where it gets interesting. There were actually 2 splits that fixed this for most people. Split 1 is upper-lower split. Upper body on day 1, lower body on the next. Repeat twice a week and every muscle gets hit twice. It's very simple. Best for 3 to 4 training days per week. Perfect if you're just getting started or have a busy schedule. The second split is push-pull legs. Push day for chest, shoulders and triceps. Pull day for back and biceps. Leg day for everything below the waist. Run out twice per week. 6 training days, every muscle hit twice. Best for 5 to 6 days per week once you've built a habit. Here's the simple answer. Training 3 to 4 days per week, do upper-lower. Train 5 to 6 days per week, do push-pull legs. Both double your training frequency per muscle compared to the bro split. That's 40% more muscle growth from the exact same exercises. No harder workouts, no new equipment, just smarter structure. That's the whole game. Drop a comment right now which split are you currently running. And subscribe to Clean Build. Every week I break down exactly what works and cut out everything that doesn't. See you in the next one.